how to greet other people without a handshake, without a beso-beso, without a fist bump, or even without a nose-to-nose. Hi, I'm Abbygale and welcome to It's a Beautiful Day. Okay, today we're gonna talk about how to greet people in the new normal. Eto na. Okay, now I have been reading about this, and one funny thing that I've read is ano yan? Foot to foot daw. You know, when they hit each other's foot. But in my case, I'm gonna say, please, it's not very good, ha? Number one, ang daming cultures, yung paa is considered to be a dirty part of us. So we don't really do foot to foot. So let's just look for other alternative na walang touching, okay? I know, ang hirap-hirap because nasa utak na natin that when we want to welcome people, when we want to greet other people, normally we touch. But now with this pandemic, wala tayong choice kung hindi mag-adapt to the new normal. Okay. Now, what are the things that can be done? First, we need to adapt some greetings from other cultures na no touching talaga. Let's say for example, bowing of the head. Bowing of the head, as we all know, okay, galing yan sa mga Japanese people. Pero when they bow, yung kamay nasa gilid and then bowing of the head all the way low, okay, all the way down. The lower bowing of the head, ibig sabihin nun, mas mababa yung position or mas humble ka. Okay? Kaya ngayon mga bosses, hindi masyadong mababa ang bowing of the head, pero hindi masyadong bumaba yung mas mababa ang position. Okay? Now, in my experience, since I've been out for the past 2 days, I've been meeting other people na din, konting-konti, you know, social distancing is very, very important, and the rule of no touching people and no touching of your face is still there, okay? So, without touching, how can we show greetings and how can we show warmth to other people? Number one tip, nodding of the head slightly. Okay, ito na. Nakamask ka, so hindi masyadong nakikita yung ngiti. Pero, kahit na hindi nakikita yung ngiti, yun sa mata, nakikita pa rin pag nakangiti. Kahit nakaganon ako, pag hindi ako nakangiti, yan ang mata ko. Pero pag nakangiti ako, ito yung mata. So, obvious na obvious yon. Okay? So, nodding of the head slightly with a smile all the time. Okay? And then, bowing of the head, just like the Japanese has mentioned, and then replacing a hand on the chest, okay, on the chest, and then bowing like this. So that can also be a form of greeting. And then another one is this one I like, opening of the arms like this with palm open. So you open yung body language. So open it like this. Hi, how are you? Kahit naka-face mask ka, so parang it shows the openness of one's body language. And then yung standing, diba? So kahit may dumating, sa totoo lang, kay off-screen, kay on-screen, kay before or post-pandemic, yung pagtayo, it doesn't matter kay babae, kay lalaki, we have to stand to greet other people. So ngayon, more than ever, kailangan. So you need to stand up to greet other people. And then, smiling with verbal greeting. So when nakatakip na yan, smile and then you say good morning or hello or how are you? Okay, so verbal greetings are very important. Kaya lang, ang verbal greeting, dapat ginagawa lang kapag ka malapit na. Dito pumapasok yung 10 feet, 5 feet rules in greetings. 5 feet away, people are expecting to hear something. 10 feet away, you can actually use body language. Okay, body language na yon, pwedeng pagtaas na. So next one is a hand wave. A hand wave is very effective if people are about 10 feet away from you. And then, ito, favorite ng husband ko, yung peace sign. Totoo. So kahit na hindi mo kausap, pero pag medyo malayo, then you go peace sign like that. It's a form of greeting as well. Okay. Now, I'd like to hear what are your new forms of greetings in this new normal. So if you can put comments on the comment section, that would be fantastic. Okay. So again, nodding of the head slightly. Kasi minsan, ito na, the reason why I'm doing this particular YouTube, kasi kanina lumabas ako and people in mass parang umiiwas na ng tingin, parang we are being more aloof, no? Now, we still have to acknowledge other people's presence. And to do that, we have to do nodding of the head slightly. We have to bow the head kung kailangan. And then placing of hands on chest. And then meron pa, putting both palms together to do this, di ba? And then opening of arms with palm open. And then standing, smiling with verbal greetings, hand wave, and of course the peace sign. Okay? So please make sure that even in this pandemic, try as much as possible to express your warmth and to greet other people as well. All right? So, thank you for listening, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please do that now. Please subscribe and then hit the notification bell for any new videos. And then of course, for your comments and section, please write them below. Okay? So what I'd like to hear from you is, how do you greet, or ano na yung na-experience mong greetings in this new normal? I'd like to hear from you. Okay? Kwentuhan tayo. Alright? So once again, this is Abbygale saying it's a beautiful day. Thanks!